Well, I promised to access all areas to the library. We are now in the basement of the building, and I'm taking you into the catacombs, which is one of my favourite spaces. So this is the library's old card catalogue. It's, if you like, the Google of the 1800s, and it's an absolute treasure trove of information. Come and have a look. Many of these entries are handwritten on cards, and they use a copper plate script. And one of the criteria for training as a librarian in the 1800s was that you had to have immaculate handwriting, which would be a slight problem for me. Those who were employed for the sole purpose of cataloguing were paid £50 per year to create the new entries. The card catalogue has thousands of entries, and visitors were able to search via numerous access points, including title, author, subject, etc. And the card catalogue is still referenced occasionally, should a problem arise with the digital archive. What I love is the quirky categorisations that comes from alphabetical listings. In this particular catalogue, we've got everything from birds of the Hawaiian Islands through to birth customs, Collingwood to Colombo. And down here we have everything from cricket through to the criminal and the community. But this one is my favourite. Everything from dead seagulls through to debaters. And as a former journalist, I really love this. This is the Argus Index from the late 1800s. Well, the only thing that I can't capture for you is the smell of this room. It's dusty and musty, but it's the wonderful smell of 160 years of library history.